How to change your primary email on Gmail. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your primary email on Gmail. First, open Google Chrome and go to Gmail. Then click on the profile icon at the top right corner. After that, click on Manage your Google account. Next, click on Personal Info from the left side menu. Now scroll down to the Contact Info section and click on Email. Finally, scroll down and click on Email again. From here, you can change your primary email. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.